Good day, sir. I'm Luke Eljon Elgarnasi from BSMT 1D, 18 years old from Barangay Bahay, San Miguel, Leyte. Now, I'm going to answer two questions assigned to me. And number one, give a brief explanation, proof, and illustrate of the presence of a supernatural being using a tangible object that relates to a scientific findings about the universe fine-tuning. So, I choose is paper. A simple sheet of paper can be used to illustrate the idea that the universe appears to be finely tuned and that this points at the existence of the supernatural designer. Take a blank sheet of paper by itself. Paper is made of fibers arranged in a very specific way. Because of this arrangement, it can be used to write meaningful information such as words, equations, and drawings. If the fibers were not arranged properly, the paper would tear easily, absorb too much ink, and become unusable. The paper must have the right thickness, texture, and composition to serve its purpose. In cosmology, the fine-tuning of the universe refers to the observation that many physical constants such as gravity, the strength of the electromagnetic force, and the rate of expansion after the Big Bang theory appear to fall within extremely narrow ranges that allow stars, planets, and life to exist. If these values were slightly different, matter might not form, stars might not shine, and life would not be possible. Now, imagine the sheet of paper has exact dimension and properties that allows you to write a complete message. If the paper is too thin, it tears. If it's too rough, writing becomes more difficult. If it is too absorbent, the ink spreads and the message becomes unreadable. Only when the paper has the right characteristic can meaningful information be recorded. In the same way, the universe has precise conditions that allows atoms, chemistry, and living organisms to exist. Paper with meaningful writing usually comes from an intelligent maker. The universe contains precise laws and constant that resembles careful collaborations. Fine-tuning suggests purpose rather than random arrangement. Therefore, many philosophers and scientists argue that the intelligent supernatural being is the best explanation. This is a philosophical argument rather than a laboratory proof, but